goodness, look at this weather. Driving home. Hello, 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 my tribe. It is Friday night, and Dorian is on his way, or on her way. Seems like a unisex name. Hello. As glad as I am that it's Friday and it's Labor Day weekend, I'm a little anxious because a storm is on its way. Which, you know, isn't the first time. But, you know, it seems like, ooh, look at all this water. Lord have mercy. It seems like the first time every time it happens. But I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to check in with you guys because I haven't seen you since last weekend, and make sure that you're keeping up with your workouts and you're keeping up with your food prep and you're taking care of yourself, and you're affirming, I am beautiful, I am peaceful, I am financially free, I am on time, I am prepared, I am efficient, I am effective, I am safe, I am blessed, I am endowed, I am approved, I am eligible, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am rebuking all negative energy at all times, and it has absolutely no effect on any level of my consciousness ever. That's a very important one. So make sure that you create the best affirmations. Ideally, you would want to start with I am, especially I am Excelsior. I am Excelsior means I am going upward and onward, or onward and upward. But I just wanted to mention those things to you. I want everyone to be safe. And even though the weather is a little challenging, that is no excuse not to take care of yourself. Make sure that, you know, you sweat and you get your workout in, and, you know, you read and you eat right and try to relax. All right? The weather's not ideal for Labor Day, but it's still a holiday. So try to enjoy yourself somewhat. Get a little bit of enjoyment in the weekend. I know what I intend to do. I intend to watch some Netflix, watch some television, work out. I'm going to try not to eat so much. We just found out that we don't have to come back to school on Tuesday over here. And, you know, as grateful as I am to have an additional day off. Oh, wow, look at the lines for the gas. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hey, I still have some gas. Hopefully I'll be able to get some when I get home. Driving really slow just to stay safe. But like I was saying, as much as I appreciate having an extra day off, there's still a bit of anxiety because for them to call off school, that means something's going down. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. I will be checking it a few more times this weekend just to let you know what's going on in my neck of the woods. And I want you to go ahead and feel free to comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, check me out on Instagram and YouTube. I'm working out every morning at 5 a.m. I'm typically running on the treadmill or doing some cardio first. And then I'm doing some calisthenics or weights. Not really that great at the weights, but I know that that's very important, especially as we age. As you all know, I'm 51 years old. I'm middle-aged. So my sister's always telling me how soft I am around the muscles. So even though I'm a cutie pie, I'm soft. So I need to get toned up and appreciate the muscle building aspect of working out. So I'm incorporating that from now on. I get in the gym every morning, wake up at 4:13 sharp, get up and get to the gym at 5 a.m. sharp, and I get out of there at 6 a.m. sharp, and then I get to work at 7 a.m. sharp. So, you know, I try to be on point with my time, especially in the morning, and I've been doing that all school year so far. All right, so let me focus. This looks like a challenging ride home. I'm going to listen to some music and try to relax. This is the position I'm in when I'm driving in the rain, which causes me to have backache because I'm so tense for so long. It takes me about 30 minutes to get home. So I'm going to do my best to just, you know, stop chit-chatting with you for the moment and try to relax and get home without the tension. Making a turn, getting on the 408. All right, take care.